Welcome to the YouTube channel Message of the Chart. We are having a series of videos on momentum stocks. This is the third video in this series. We are selecting the stocks based on their higher volume, weekly higher volume over the 20 weeks average volume and also nearer to the 52 weeks high. But please note, not in the preferential order. The first chart we are seeing is there is no special preference for the stocks we are seeing first or anything like that. JM Financial, this is the weekly chart. If you see with some good volume, here is a breakout. So next immediate resistance will be somewhere around 125, after which it is likely to go up to 150 and then up to 171 and finally to the all-time high of 191. Then it may go further also depending on the performance. Here I am not discussing about their business or the financials, only the chart outlook is being seen here. So this is a good buy and a buy on dips. This is not a recommendation, but the chart says so. I am sharing my view on what the chart says about this stock. The next chart we are seeing today is CAMS. CAMS has given a good breakout from this all-time high, and it is a recently listed stock, and so this is a very decent buy on dips. They are in unique business and the business is growing popularly now. So this is a buy on dips stock. There is no much to read in the stocks because it is a recently listed stock. The next one in our list is BSE Limited. So this is a good stock which has given a very good breakout from this level after almost we can say 4 years. After 4 years this breakout has happened, so it is definitely a good stock to consider for our watch list. This is a buy on dips. So once it crosses the all-time high, definitely very good momentum will be there. It is already crossed the all-time high, but it has not closed above the all-time high, but soon it is expected to close above the all-time high. But here a quick observation, I am just seeing that it is almost forming a kind of what we call as the inverted head and shoulder. So if this continues, we are likely to have a scenario where one more shoulder may be formed before taking the final burst into the new territory, uncharted territory. This is a possibility. So in which case the target will be minimum double or 2.5 times also. So it's a very good stock to add on dips. The next one is MCX, Multi-Commodity Exchange. It is in a unique business and the chart is very promising. Already it has given a very good breakout from this level and it has established as a support also here. This high, which was a rejection earlier, has become a support now, and again it is taking a good green candle, high volume. So here once the all-time high is crossed, it will have momentum, but right now it is a buy on dips. This can be considered to be added in anybody's portfolio who are interested in chasing the momentum stocks. Next one is VMart Retail. The chart says everything. See, the previous almost 2018 levels are breached now. After breaching this level, definitely there is supposed to be some minor correction or reaction. After that, it will start moving up again. This is a good stock to be considered to be in anybody's portfolio. Next one is Sundaram Clayton. This chart also looks very beautiful. If you see, it is giving a breakout from this level. Minor, some correction may take place here, some consolidation, then it may go again. And if you see, the all-time high is still far away. So it may go up to this all-time high level of 6,299, almost 6,300. So from here, it is having the potential to go up to 6,300 for those investors and traders with patience. The clue is to add on dips properly. See, here it is a cup and handle pattern is visible here, cup and handle pattern. The breakout will give, at least it will go up to this level, I suppose 5,000 plus levels. then it may consolidate a little bit before going to the next higher levels. But definitely, if the financials are continue to be good, it will breach the previous high and move even higher. The next stock is LTT, L&T Technology Services, LTTS. It has given recently a very good breakout from this level. The volume is also good. So here, buy on dips can be adopted, because on any day some reaction is coming in IT sector. This may give a minor dip. So we can add on dips to reap the benefits in the long run. And this one has given a breakout almost after so many period. Oh, wow, wow. The chart is looking very nice. These levels are interesting. So this is a must add in any trader's watch list who are interested in looking for momentum stocks. Chart is very nice, very nice. So this can be added on dips. So these are the list of the stocks in this video discussed. Again, this is not a buy recommendation. And this is financials and other business prospects are not considered in this video. Only chart view is shared, but these can be added in watch list, and most of the stocks are qualify for buy on dips, which will give very decent benefit in the long run. Hope this video is of some helpful to you. We will meet once again with similar videos in days to come. Thank you for watching.